Akita training for dock diving, making a big splash. Dock diving is an exciting water sport where dogs compete to see who can jump the farthest or highest into a pool or body of water. While many dog breeds have a natural inclination for swimming, not all of them are built for this particular sport. However, the Akita, a powerful and athletic breed, can be trained to excel in dock diving with the right approach and training techniques. In this article, we will discuss how to train an Akita for dock diving and the steps to make a big splash in this thrilling sport. Understanding the Akita breed. The Akita is a large and powerful breed originating from Japan. They were initially bred to hunt bears, boars, and other large game. Akitas have a strong build, sturdy frame, and plenty of muscle mass, making them well suited for activities that require agility and strength. However, before diving into training, it is essential to understand your Akita's temperament and physical capabilities to ensure a successful dock diving journey. Starting the training. Like any other training, dock diving requires a solid foundation in obedience and basic commands. If your Akita has not undergone basic obedience training, it is crucial to start here before moving forward. Building a strong bond with your dog through consistent obedience training will set the stage for a successful dock diving experience. To water. Before introducing your Akita to dock diving, it is essential to familiarize them with water gradually. Akitas have a thick double coat that insulates them, so some may be a bit hesitant initially. Start by introducing them to shallow waters, such as a small pool or a calm lake. Use positive reinforcement techniques, treats, and praise to associate water with a positive experience for your canine companion. Building confidence. While Akitas are generally confident dogs, it is essential to build their confidence gradually during dock diving training. Begin by enticing your Akita to jump onto a low and stable platform from a short distance. Reward them with treats and praise for each successful jump. Gradually increase the height and distance, always ensuring their comfort level. Teaching the jump. To train your Akita for dock diving jumps, use a solid and stable dock or platform. Start by placing a toy or treat on the edge, encouraging your dog to reach for it. Progressively increase the distance between the toy and the edge of the dock, enticing your Akita to jump. Make sure to reward successful jumps and use positive reinforcement to motivate your dog further. Improving distance and height. As your Akita becomes more comfortable with basic jumps, it is time to work on increasing both distance and height. Use different techniques, such as adjusting the angle of the platform or switching to a longer dock, to encourage longer jumps. Keep in mind that each dog is unique, so adjust the training according to your Akita's abilities and progress. Preparing for competitions. Once your dog has mastered the basics of dock diving, you can consider entering competitions. Joining a local dock diving club or organization will provide opportunities to compete and gain valuable experience. These events also offer training sessions and workshops to help you refine your training techniques and improve your Akita's performance. Remember, competing is about having fun and enjoying the process, so focus on the joy of participating rather than solely on winning. Training an Akita for dock diving can be an exciting and rewarding experience for both you and your furry friend. With the right approach, patience, and consistency, your Akita can learn to make a big splash in this thrilling water sport. Remember to prioritize your dog's safety, build their confidence gradually, and always use positive reinforcement techniques. Whether you decide to compete or simply enjoy dock diving as a fun activity to engage with your Akita, the bond you form during training will undoubtedly strengthen your relationship and bring